Namaskar students, today we will learn how to plot the histogram for a given data. Suppose we are given the class intervals which are 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200 and their corresponding frequencies are also given to us which are 6, 10 and so on. So we take the class intervals along the x-axis and the frequencies along the y-axis. Now here on this graph paper I have taken the frequencies along the y-axis, class intervals along the x-axis. You note that the points are taken at the equal distances because we have the frequencies 6, 10, 12, 24, 30 and so on. So highest frequency is here 30. So keeping this frequency in the mind, I have taken the points along the y-axis, and similarly the class intervals are 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1200. These points have been taken along the x-axis. So we will draw the rectangles, or you can also call them bars. So for this continuous data we are plotting the histogram. So 800 to 1000, the frequency is 6. Then 1000 to 1200, the frequency is 10. 10 is this point. Then 24, this point. Then 30. Then 20. 6 and 4. You can complete these. Okay. Now this is what we call histogram, right? So we have the histogram which is representing the continuous data. Now we have to plot the frequency polygon. The frequency polygon can be plotted over this histogram very easily by joining the midpoints of these rectangles top at the frequencies. Now this is the frequency polygon. So we have to join the beginning point with the midpoint of the previous class interval and the end point with the next class interval's midpoint, right? As polygon is a closed figure. So this line indicates the frequency polygon, and these bars are the histogram.